Hello guys, welcome to today's training, and today we shall be looking at on how to track any lost phone using the IMEI number. Okay, this is a real-time location using our Kali Linux. Okay, so we'll just dive into the training, and please make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the like button so you always get an update from us. Okay guys, so the first thing for us to do is what we have to search for this IMEI track number. Okay, we have to download it. It's from the GitHub. We'll just go to our browser, go to Google, there is your search IMEI number GitHub. Okay, we download it through the GitHub. Okay, I will pick this. So this is the GitHub. So you copy the code, and from the code you just have to download it from your Kali Linux. Okay, so you see this code here, you click on this arrow, then you copy the URL link, copy it, then we go back to our terminal, open your terminal, and before you do any other thing, make sure your system is updated. You just update it to sudo app audits. Then enter your password. So you give it time for it to update the system. Okay, finish updated. So the next thing for us to do, we want to clone this link we just copied, git clone, then you paste the URL which you copy, paste it, then enter. So the IMEI track already exists, so I've already installed it in my system. Once you click your enter, the thing will clone and install and create a directory in your system. Okay guys, so the next thing for us to do is we'll go to the inside these of the IMEI track number with our CD. So we're already inside. So the next thing for us to do, we have to be inside the environment with our Python 3. Then VV. Okay, so we already say inside the environment, then we have to update the source. Activate the source. Okay, then the next thing for us to part 3, install the requirements. Install the requirements. .txt. Okay, already installed. Now the next thing for us to do are LX. So you can see for mine everything is showing. Okay, everything is executable, but in yours you won't be seeing this green. Yours will be showing green. Now for us to make any of these file executable, then we have to do our chmod, then plus x. Then if you want to make everything, the whole of this file executable, then you have to do your what? X. Okay. But if you are using one, for eventually you want to make this cybertrack.py, you just type it there. But if you want to make everything executable, you just do this. Okay, this chmod plus x, then aux at the top, then press your enter. The thing will be what? Everything will be what? Executable. Now if you do your ls, see the same thing which I have here. Now the next thing to do is what? You run my py. Run my py by 3, then track. Okay, sorry, that is py 3 track.py. Okay, so it's giving me an option, select device type. Okay, so I have to select device type. Is it 100 iPhone? I'm using 100. Okay, that's 1. Enter. Then they ask me to what? Enter the IMEI number. So I have to enter my IMEI number. Okay. Click my enter. Then now enter the Gmail. So this Gmail, it means the words, the email in which you use in registering the phone. Peradventure the phone is missing. So the email you use to register that phone, you have to enter that email. Okay, enter that email. You enter the email because this is the email he will use to also locate that phone with this IMEI number. Then enter my password. Then it's tracking the device. Just give it time. It's tracking the device, requesting device location. Okay. Then I have to sign in. Find Hub. I have to sign in with the Google, with Gmail account. Sign in with the email. Then this is my password. Sign in with the password. So these are the phones associated with that my email. Okay, so guys, this is the phone that is being associated with my email. These 3 phones. Now I want to find the location of this Redmi 14C. Okay, the image is associated with this Infinix Smart, with this Oppo A17, and this Redmi 14C. So I want to search for this Redmi. Let me see where it is. Okay, so you can see that he have given me the location where this phone is. You can see it has given me the precise location where this phone is, and this is absolutely right of this my address. Okay, it means that what I'm being found in this location. Okay guys, so this is how to locate a stolen phone. And peradventure, the one thing is common. Okay, one thing is paramount here. Now the reasons why I was able to locate this is also because that phone is online. Yes, the data is running, it's online. If peradventure the other phones, now let's say the other phones, the data are not on, I'm not online with them, it will be very difficult. Let's say, okay, let me try it. Oppo. So it will be very, very difficult to load, and it will take time. It might and it might not. Okay, so that is the only way you can find that lost stolen phone or whatsoever. And if that phone the person who the phone is possession with, he owns the data, and you are tracking that phone, you are likely to get that phone back and know the exact location that person is. So you can see this now, which I did. I'm not able to locate it because it's still connecting. It's connected device. The data is not on. It's switched off. But there are other ways in which you can do. You can just do your factory reset. You can reset that phone, or you can secure device. Just lock it, and the person can't be able to open it. You can see secure device. You can just click on it, and you tell you this secure device. These are things you have to open. Just have to lock it with your Gmail. The person will not have access anymore whatsoever he or she is doing. Okay, so these are ways in which you can recover your stolen phone. Thank you guys. Please, if you find this tutorial interesting, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the like button. Stay tuned while we bring you more updates. Thank you guys.